Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. AI tools are becoming part of our daily life, but many users still struggle with mistakes that waste time and give poor results. Today we'll go over the most common AI mistakes and how to fix them so you can get the most out of AI. One of the biggest mistakes is giving AI vague instructions. For example, asking write something about AI can result in generic text. Fix. Be specific. Include context, style, and length. Instead of write about AI, try write a 3-paragraph blog post about AI tools for beginners with examples. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Mistake number 2 is expecting it to know everything. AI can make errors or be outdated. Fix. Always fact-check and cross-reference important information. Use AI as an assistant, not the final authority. Some users depend entirely on AI, losing their creativity or critical thinking. Fix. Combine AI output with your own ideas. Use it to inspire, not replace your work. Many users give a prompt once and accept the first result. Fix. Iterate. Adjust the prompt, ask follow-up questions, or try different approaches. AI improves when you guide it. Finally, ignoring data privacy or ethical issues is risky. Fix. Avoid sharing sensitive info and understand AI's ethical boundaries. Always respect copyright and consent. Using AI effectively takes practice, but avoiding these common mistakes will save you time and improve results. Which mistake have you made before? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tips. See you in the next video.